This video is about how to use eyebrow powder. Now, if you want to have a defined brow, then you can also use some brow powder to complete the whole makeup look at the end. Now, I'm going to show you now the tools which you will need to complete the look and also to follow the tutorial. Now, first, we're going to start off with eyebrow powder, of course. Make sure that it matches with your eyebrow hairs as well, because then it will look the most natural. Then we are going to move on to an angled brush. You will also need a spoolie to brush through them. And then you will also need an eyeliner pencil, a bit of concealer, and also a concealer brush or a flat eyeshadow brush, which will do the job. Now, my name is Melissa van Dijk. I'm a makeup artist, and I also will list all the steps that I'm about to share with you down below in the description box so that you can also follow the steps in your own time. Now let's move on with the first step. Step number 1, brush through your brows to separate the hairs. Step number 2, measure the 3 main points of your brows and mark them with an eyeliner pencil to create a guide. Find the start using your brow brush, measure from your nose wing and hold it straight up so that it passes the inner corner of your eye. Mark where it hits your brow. Then find the arch. Angle the tool from your nose so it goes straight across your pupil. And finally, the end. Angle the brush from your nose so that it passes the outer corner of your eye. Step number 3, brush down your brow hairs. Fill in the top part with feathery light strokes. Use the points you marked as a guide. Step number 4, brush up your brow hairs. And then fill in the bottom part. Remember to fill in spare areas as well. Step number 5, use the spoolie again to bring your brow hairs back in place. Then fill in the middle part of your brow towards the brow tail. Just a quick tip, for a natural look, use a light touch at the front of your brow, and as you near the brow tail, use bolder strokes. And don't forget to use the spoolie in between to make sure that everything looks nice and natural. Step number 6, clean up any mistakes with concealer, and this will also help sharpen the edges. Once you finish with the steps, then you can also complete your full makeup look when it comes to your eye makeup, your lips and your cheek area. And once it all comes together, you really can admire and also just enjoy the beautiful look that came together, and just by also adding a little bit of brow powder to your brows. Now I hope that you could follow the steps, and if you have still any questions, please let me know, because you can always let it in the comments down below. And other than that, that's all what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!